Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Vaibhavi Sawant and let's start with today's headlines. Cryptocurrencies trade mixed after US stocks fall, Bitcoin slips below $19,000. Nasdaq launches institutional crypto custody service. Crypto market maker Wintermute hacked for $160 million. MicroStrategy buys an additional $6 million worth of Bitcoin. NFT lender BendDAO proposes $80 million Treasury investment fund. Web3 accounting software Treasury raises $7.6 million in seed funding. DTCP set to invest in Web3 with $300 million fund backed by SoftBank. The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon enters the Fortnite Metaverse. Cryptocurrencies traded mixed after giving away most of its intraday gains as US stocks traded lower in early trade ahead of Federal Reserve's two-day rate-setting meeting. Bitcoin fell below $19,000. The S&P 500 and Dow Industrial dropped 0.8% apiece in early trading Tuesday, as did the technology-focused Nasdaq Composites. Investors expect the Fed to continue hiking its benchmark rate over the next few policy meetings, after delivering its third 75 basis points hike on Wednesday to stamp out inflation. The 10-year Treasury yield topped 3.56% and hit its highest level since April 2011. Traders in Fed fund futures put a 18% probability on a percentage point increase. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, in his earlier interaction, had indicated that a central bank was willing to raise rates even at the cost of economic hardship, as snuffing out inflation remained its priority. Bitcoin was recently trading at $18,875, down 0.5% in the past 24 hours. ETH, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,335, up nearly 0.5% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins traded mixed. Nasdaq, the second largest US exchange operator, is starting a crypto custody service to tap into growing demand for digital assets from institutional investors. The company has hired Ira Arvach, who oversaw prime broker service at cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, to head its new digital asset division. According to a Bloomberg report, Nasdaq is open to working with crypto-native firms, though it doesn't plan to launch a crypto exchange in the near term. Cryptocurrency market maker Wintermute has lost $160 million in a hack relating to its decentralized finance, that is DeFi operation, according to a tweet from company's founder and CEO Evgeny Gaivoy. The firm's lending and over-the-counter service have not been affected. Wintermute CEO Evgeny Gaivoy said that the company remains solvent with twice over $160 million remaining in equity. Gaivoy added that the company is still treating the hack as white hat event and asked the hacker to get in touch. The hacker's wallet has been tracked down by on-chain suit ZachXBT. It currently holds around $9 million in Ether, that is ETH, and $38 million in other ERC20 tokens. MicroStrategy added an additional 301 Bitcoin worth around $6 million to its balance sheet, it was revealed on Tuesday. Founder and former CEO Michael Saylor shared the news on Twitter, with the filing revealing the purchases were made between August 2nd and September 19th. This is the firm's first purchase since June, when it was bought 480 Bitcoin worth around $10 million at the time. MicroStrategy and its subsidiaries now hold approximately 130,000 Bitcoins with an aggregate purchase price of approximately $3.98 billion. BendDAO, an NFT lending platform, has filed a proposal on the community forum to create an investment firm with an post-money valuation of $80 million. If approved, the fund will serve as a sub-treasury for the NFT lender, according to the proposal. In non-performing assets, the sub-treasury will put at least 50% of its money. The NFT lender's DAO treasury is being diversified by this action. Given the recent difficulties the project has encountered amid a widespread decline in NFT sector, BendDAO needs this sub-treasury. The BendDAO team is looking for community agreement to sell 1 billion of its token in order to seed the sub-treasury. This is 10% of the total supply of BendDAO, that is BEND tokens. To reach the $80 million post-money valuation for the fund, the NFT lender intends to employ Ether, that is ETH, as the financing currency with a minimum investment of 100 ETH per share. Tress, a startup offering financial accounting software for Web3 businesses, has secured a $7.6 million funding round from Bold Start Ventures. An announcement made on September 20th stated that F2 Alchemy, New Form, Kinetic Capital, Block Demon Ventures, and Mantis were also a part of the round. As angel investor Michael Saloff, the CEO of Fireblocks, and Michael Gronager, the CEO of Chainalysis, also contributed. Through the collection and aggregation of digital asset data from various wallets and accounts into its data platform, Tress seeks to enhance the accounting process for Web3 companies. This makes it easier for Web3 businesses to track, manage, and automate their cash inflows and outflows. According to the startup, a lot of this is currently completed manually using spreadsheets, which is prone to human mistake. European venture firm Digital Transformation Capital Partners, that is DTCP, announced the first close of its third fund, having raised $300 million. The fund will invest in Web3, fintech, and several other areas. It plans to continue raising capital and close fundraising in 2023. Investing juggernaut SoftBank and German telecommunication company Deutsche Telekom are investors in the fund. On its website, the venture business stated that it has made over 70 investments and presently manages $2.3 billion in assets. The fund seeks to have around 25 investment in the range of $20 million to $25 million for startup in growth stage, typically as a part of a Series B to D per the company release. It will double down on investment in Europe, Tel Aviv, and the US. NBC, Universal, and Samsung have joined hands to bring The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon to the Metaverse through an interactive experience called Tonight at the Rock. The viewers of Wednesday's episode will be encouraged to visit virtual gaming platform Fortnite. Visitors will be able to play games, go to the Samsung stores, and the virtual writers' room for Tonight Show. Additionally, in the Fortnite Metaverse, players can raise up 30 Rockefeller Centers, play Pong on roof along with the New York skyline, and assist Jimmy Fallon in getting to Studio 6B. Jimmy Fallon will feature in Tonight at the Rock as well as virtual recreation of 30 Rock and other New York City sites. That's it for today. This is Vaibhavi Sawant signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.